Travis, you can't see anything.
You see me? Yeah.
Look, you see over there, you can't see what's down there.
I said you can see me though, right?
Not really.
Yeah. I
Maybe
gotta
like your
lean
nose.
forward and shit. Right? That's what I'm saying.
This nigga snores. Who snores like that?
You do.
I don't snore like that.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god.
That nigga there. Right there. That shit right there. That's that shit right there.
That nigga truly snoring like wow. Wow.
Can you like stop with that shit already?